Mobile performance example of website performance testing. This presentation is about mobile performance, aggregate indicates, website quality, user experience, usability, and performance tests. Karol KRÓL, PhD, University of Agriculture in Krakow. IBIMA conference. Performance matters. The performance of websites and web application matters, particularly on mobile devices. Websites that take long to load and work slowly have lower target conversion and greater bounce rate. The objective is to identify differences between website performance into two viewing modes, desktop and mobile. Materials and methods. The paper audited the performance of a prototype website based on WordPress. WordPress is a free content management system, CMS, which is increasingly often used for website design. The performance was tested as a snapshot, which means that the values of selected aggregate indicates were measured at a specific moment. The measurements were performed with three test tools: Darebost, Geekflare, and PageSpeed Insight. Results and conclusions. No significant differences were found for the website's performance on desktop and mobile devices. The aggregate performance indicates reach upper values, although note that speed index is a smaller the better variable. Its value should be as low as possible. Results of the performance measurements presented as aggregate indicates can be unreliable or incurrent. The critical point for the employed research design seems to be the value of speed index, SE. Google recommends that the value of SE should not exceed 1000 units. For the tested website it was 2667 units for mobile test and 1675 units for desktop devices. Therefore, despite the relatively high performance score and Darebost score values, there is still room and a need for performance improvement regarding the website. A single performance measurement is a snapshot of the current state at the moment. Such ad hoc measurements can be employed for a quick overview, diagnosis of a website's or web application performance. For instance, ad hoc measurements can be useful during direct meetings with a customer or user. They can add to a discussion or present the scale of a phenomenon, such as the load time in a browser window. Thank you for your attention.